Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Sunit Dev, and I'm current president of EWRI Austin chapter. I welcome you all for 15th annual and first virtual continuing education workshop. I hope you liked the presentation so far. I just wanted to briefly talk about EWRI Austin, who we are and what we do. Austin EWRI started in 2006 by conducting continuing education workshop, which continued till date. I'm sure a lot of you attending this workshop were associated with it one way or other. EWRI became official chapter in 2012 and it covers central Texas area including Austin and surrounding counties. We have about 300 registered members and over 750 subscribers. Our main goal is to advance environmental and water resources field, and our main activities that we carry out include community outreach, social meetings and networking, scholarships, and continuing education workshop. During last year, from September 2019, we carried out a lot of different activities under community outreach. We also collaborate with other like-minded non-profit organizations in area such as Austin Youth River Watch, Keep Austin Beautiful. We carried out surveying, hydrology and plant design workshop. We helped build a rain garden and perform maintenance of other rain gardens at the local school. We participated in Ladybird Lake cleanup. EWRI members help UT civil engineering students with their project work. From March of this year, due to pandemic, we couldn't meet in person for our monthly leadership meetings. So all allotted money for our monthly lunch meetings from March is being donated to Austin Food Bank. For our social interaction and networking, we are trying to do one event every quarter in coordination with other professional organizations and non-profit groups. From last September, we were able to do 2 events, including Points for People and Happy Hour associated with ASCE YMF. We couldn't do any other event since March 2020. There are going to be breakout rooms at the end of today's workshop where you all can meet and network virtually. Another important part of our organization is to encourage students that are studying in environmental and water resources field. We offer scholarship for these students interested in learning in these fields. Within just last 3 years, we increased our scholarship amount from $1,000 to $5,000, and we are offering it to initially to 1 student to now up to 6 students. And from last year, we also started offering these scholarships to high school students as well, in addition to college students. And generally applications are due in spring. And this year we received over 25 applications. And we are very excited to announce our 2020 scholarship winners as follows. We have 3 high school students who will get $500 scholarship each. They are Luke Crawford, Francis Bolger, and Andrew Perez. Then we have 3 college students. Number 1 scholarship goes to Diana Madlabayan. She will get $1,500. And number 2 and number 3 are Kelsey Nelson and Alan Ho. Both of them will get $1,000. So congratulations to all the scholarship winners. Now I would like to introduce you to all the people who run all these activities, including today's workshop. We have a board and various committees. Our board members are I'm Sunit Dev and I'm current president. We have Travis Katz, who is president-elect. Will Huff is past president. Jeff Haber is a treasurer. And Spencer Schreiner is treasurer-elect. Then we have several committees, and these are the committee chairs. Kelly Rich is Community Outreach Chair. Kayla Sweden is Communications Chair. Samantha Paul is Social Activities Chair. Jenna Rao is Scholarships Chair. And Sarah Davis is our Continuing Education Chair, who is also conducting today's workshop. And then along with these board members and committee chairs, we have many other volunteers who attend our monthly meeting and help out whenever required. And last but not least, you all who are attending this workshop and also our workshop sponsors. And with your support only, we could do all these activities, including this workshop. So thank you all. Our board tenure is from September to August. That means we will have new members for board as well as committees. There are two positions open for the board, which are president-elect and treasurer-elect. Also, we are always looking for new members and ideas for our committees. So if you are interested in participating and serving on board or any particular committee, please contact us. And we will have a general members meeting in August where you are invited. So look out for that email soon. Again, I would like to thank you all for attending the workshop and supporting EWRI Austin. So enjoy rest of the presentations. Thank you.